In this video, I'm going to be showing you my monthly reset routine so that we can become our best selves. So keep on watching for tips on how to reset on the new month. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe because we are all about becoming our best selves on this channel. I post every single week. I'm a very multi-passionate person, so a little taste of everything here. Monthly resets usually are at the end of the month or at the beginning of the month. Today is July 3rd, so we're gonna be doing it at the beginning of the month. I really hope that this video inspires you guys to make your own monthly reset. This is really also the time for you to be able to clean anything that you need to clean, throw out anything that's old, bring in the new, and create that clean environment so then you can have a clean mind and think clearly to start achieving those goals. Alrighty guys, so I have here my laptop because I'm a very visual person and I have to know what I'm doing. I am going to be stretching the reset into 5 days to do little individual tasks each day. Having a to-do list also just really helps me to feel more organized and have a set plan in knowing what I'm going to do. So for today, Monday, I have here that I want to redecorate my shower, do some laundry, vacuum, dishes, take out the trash. And for my shower, I did purchase some new accessories from Amazon, which is also going to be on my Amazon storefront. So I'm excited for us to do that together. Tomorrow, Tuesday, it is 4th of July, so I'm not going to be going too crazy. I have on here that I need to go to the library because I have some books that I've had for over like 2 months now. I've been procrastinating taking it to the library, and I also want to go to the thrift shop because I want to get some cute home decor and really just romanticize my environment. For Wednesday, I am gonna be ordering the groceries. For Thursday, I'm gonna be doing some meal prepping because I want to get more consistent with that. I'm gonna be experimenting with some recipes to really see which ones stick. And for Friday, I have a self-care day. So usually self-care is on Sundays, but we need a self-care day. I'm gonna be doing skincare, face mask. It's gonna be a fun, packed week. Catch you guys tomorrow. What's up, guys? Guess what day it is? Not Tuesday, it's Wednesday, y'all. Yesterday was a crazy day. Half of my power in my apartment went out, so that was fun. My dad also, he was starting up his food truck business, so I went out to support him. So I didn't really record anything at all yesterday. Right now it's about to be 8 p.m. I'm definitely right now headed to Goodwill so that we can look and see if they have cute home decor. I'm super excited for that. They close at 9 p.m. so it's literally like 5 minutes from my house. I'm 100% sure we're gonna make it. Monday was very productive because I did the dishes, I vacuumed, did the shower, I redecorated, which is so cute. I love it, guys. I just if you guys could smell my shower. I love romanticizing it, and that's something that I want to start doing this month, is really to start romanticizing my life. And really what romanticizing means for me is enjoying life, making life nice to look at, nice to be at, being excited when you wake up, just really enjoying the beauty of life, whether it be, making your breakfast look really nice, decorating your house, getting a nice cup of coffee, a nice cup of tea. I always associated like the cool people having that stuff. So I always felt like if I had that, I don't know, people thought that I was gonna be trying to be like them, being fake or whatever. And what adulting has really shown me, like after high school, who cares what people think? Because whatever they say or they think about you, it has no effect on my life. Like, I'm the one that has it. I enjoy having it, right? It makes me happy. Why am I letting that put me down? Point of the story is, don't care what people will think about you, because if that's something that brings you joy and makes you happy, why not do that for yourself? Because you deserve that happiness. You deserve to enjoy those little things. So be the main character of your life. Go get the things that will make you happy and make you feel alive. We have a very limited time on this earth, and we don't know if tomorrow is promised. So if there's something that can make you happy right now, go get it. Go have it. Go do it. I'll leave you guys with that. All right, we're right there, so bye. All right, y'all, let's see what we can get in 20 minutes. Of course, I'm on Pinterest because we need some inspiration. So I'm gonna type easy meal prep ideas. Right now, I wanna try more of the dinner meal prep. For breakfast, I usually make some overnight oats, so I'm already meal prepping that. So there's 2 of us, so it is gonna be a lot more that I'm gonna have to make. We're gonna make it work. I like this one, the glazed chicken meal prep, because I already have some chicken thighs. So I just need to add to the groceries potatoes. They have green beans. We'll add some green beans in there. So we have the turkey taco salad bowl. Brown turkey tacos. Or taco salad bowl. We'll see which one I'm feeling. I have beans, I have corn, I have rice. So we're gonna do the pesto shrimp spinach pasta. And I don't have pesto, so we're gonna have to get pesto. I don't think I have shrimp. I have pasta. That wraps up today. What's up, guys? We got our groceries. We are about to have a mini little cooking show. We're gonna just go crazy in the kitchen today. Oh my goodness. Bad news, they didn't have any ground chicken. We're gonna have to do with what we got. Welcome to my cooking channel. So this apron, I thought it would be a perfect occasion because I've never worn it and my fiance got it for me. Plus I'm wearing a white t-shirt, so it was like a given. Happy Friday, you guys! It is self-care day. So first thing I'm gonna do is the hair mask. Step one is to restore shine and condition. And then step two is to seal the cuticles. I'm probably gonna mix this with some honey and olive oil since I've heard that those two ingredients are really good. I also have here a peel off face mask that I also got from Walgreens. We got a timer going down. I put 15 minutes to let this sit and do its thing. Hey guys. Yesterday, I wasn't able to go over my goals with you guys for this month or to really share the process that I'm gonna do. I wanted to take some time today to really do that with you guys. The first thing that you really have to do is to reflect on the previous month. Really look at the challenges that you had, the achievements, and the areas that you want to improve on. A challenge that I had last month was I fell out of my routine when it came to meditation, journaling, and reading. And that's an area that I want to improve on for this month. Now, achievements was I did lose 7 pounds. I finally created my Notion template, so that's something. So now that we have reflected on the previous month, now we have to set our intentions for this month. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna break it down into the different areas in my life. So we're gonna start first with personal growth. For me, I want to be consistent reading. So that's gonna be my first goal. Read 10 pages a day. I'm also gonna schedule 30 minutes a day learning a new skill. The next area that I'm gonna look at is health and wellness. I want to meal prep because I feel that I can save a lot of time, money, and also just overall eat healthier. So meal prep the week. So that's for Sundays to do. For wellness, that's focused more on mindfulness, definitely meditation and journaling in the mornings. The next area to look at is productivity and organization. Definitely gonna be using the Google Calendar, Notion, I have Toggle. Those are really the big areas of life that you should be focusing on for your goals. And then of course, there's also your career. But for me, I'm gonna do that separately. And with that, it wraps up our monthly reset video. Of course, I still have a lot to get done around the house. I feel like I never finish cleaning. There's always something to do, but as long as you keep taking that one step every single day and really setting your goals and just being intentional with your days, then you'll be able to achieve anything and everything that you want in your life. So I really hope that this video helped you guys, and of course comment down below if you're gonna be joining me on this monthly reset. I truly appreciate you. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day.